Hi guys, Billy Joe here for HO Scale Railroad, and I just put a second level on my new layout because I just had too much track left over. So let me turn this around and show you where I'm at with this whole thing. Okay, so here's all of this. I'm just kind of setting some buildings there. I got some of my mountains done. Got some water there. But here's what I'm talking about. There's going to be a tunnel running under that part, and I put joint compound down for a road. But yeah, I put the second level on, and it runs over here and around behind the mountains, which is pretty cool. And I finished my Burger King model I found at the train show, which is really cool. I have a Whopper. Oh, and I also found this really cool 11-story hotel that I'm building. It was only 40 bucks. So anyway, that's my update, and I will keep you informed as we go. See you next time. Bye-bye.